In this video, we will explore the features and functionalities of Auto Photo Cut Paste, Cut Paste Photo App, and Cut Paste Photo Seamless Edit. Let's dive in and discover how you can unleash your creativity with these fantastic photo editing applications. Auto Photo Cut Paste. Auto Photo Cut Paste is an application that allows users to easily cut and paste objects in photos automatically. This app uses advanced AI technology to accurately detect and select the object in the image to be cut out. Users can then seamlessly paste the object onto another photo with just a few taps. The app offers various editing tools to further enhance the final image, such as adjust the opacity, apply filters, and add text or stickers. Auto Photo Cut Paste is a user-friendly app suitable for both beginners and more advanced users who want to create fun and creative photo compositions effortlessly. Cut Paste Photo App. Cut Paste Photo App is a popular application on Android that offers intuitive tools for cutting out objects from photos and seamlessly pasting them onto other backgrounds. Users can manually select the area they want to cut out, or use the automatic cutout tool for quick and accurate results. The app provides various editing features, like adjusting the size, position, and rotation of the cutout object to achieve a realistic look in the final image. Additionally, users can apply filters, add text, or incorporate stickers to enhance their creations further. Cut Paste Photo Seamless Edit. Cut Paste Photo Seamless Edit is a versatile photo editing application that specializes in seamless cut and paste operations. The app offers advanced tools for precise object selection and removal from photos, ensuring a seamless integration into new backgrounds. Users can easily blend the cutout objects with the target image using features like feathering and opacity adjustment for a natural look. Besides basic editing functions, the app also includes creative tools such as filters, effects, and overlays to add artistic flair to the compositions. And there you have it, the top 3 Cut Paste Photo apps for Android: Auto Photo Cut Paste Photo App, and Cut Paste Photo Seamless Edit. Thank you for watching.